baby, that looks good. What's up, everybody, and welcome back to another episode of Tommy's Kitchen. Today, we're going to keep up with the fall theme like we had in the last episode of Tommy's Kitchen, and today, we're going to be making pumpkin bread. So now, let's head over to the ingredients table, and I'll show you guys what you're going to be needing to use. Alright guys, this is what you're going to be needing to use. You're going to be needing some eggs, some ground cloves, some ground ginger, pumpkin, flour, ground cinnamon, light brown sugar, baking soda, baking powder, and some salt, some measuring utensils, some butter, something to mix everything in, and then something to mix everything with, and then some Pam for when we put it into this bread holding thing. I forget what the official name is. And then what we're going to be needing to do is have your oven set for 300 degrees. And here is the exact recipe right here. I'll be telling you guys like all the measurements and everything as we go, but I just wanted to show you guys that so you know everything to the exact part. So now let's get started. Alrighty guys, the first thing we want to do is no particular way you're gonna have to put everything in. So we're gonna start with our 2 eggs first. So much for doing an egg with one hand. I'll be like Gordon Ramsay. Alrighty, so now what we're going to do is take our whole stick of butter, just put it in here. Alright, so now what we're going to do is do our whole thing of pumpkin. There we go. Problem is I'm lefty. It's like the shake weight. There we go. Alright, so now what we're going to do is we're going to take a cup of pressed brown sugar. So you want to press it into the cup. See how it's like pressed down like this? So you want to do that for the whole cup. So now we're going to be needing 1 teaspoon of our baking powder. So now we're going to need 1 teaspoon again of baking soda. Alright, so now what we want to do is get a 1/2 teaspoon of your salt. Alright, so now what we're going to want to do is take 1.5 teaspoons of our ground cinnamon. Same side. Half. Alright, so now we're going to want our half a teaspoon of ground cloves and our half a teaspoon of ground ginger. Alright, onto the cloves. Man, this is so strong. Alright, so now we still need to put our flour in, just because flour is such a mess. We're going to mix all this up and then going to simultaneously start adding the flour in, half a cup at a time. We're going to be needing 1.5 cups of flour total. So let's go. Alright, now it's time for our half a cup of flour. If I can just get this to stop moving. Making a mess already. The heck is in this thing? Oh. Alrighty, now we're going to do is put our next half a cup of flour. Now, back to the mixing. Alright, so now we're going to take our pan, that bread pan thing, and we're going to take our pan, get it all in there pretty good. So now what you just want to do is just pour it all in. Alrighty, so now what we gotta do is put in our oven for 45 to 55 minutes on 350 degrees. So here we go. Now, just a waiting game. Alright guys, it has been a little more than an hour now because our oven is not the greatest. It is pretty old. So hopefully Tommy's Kitchen will be upgrading pretty soon. Filmer. So here we go. Ah, smells good. Alright, so now I guess you just we'll wait for it to cool, and then we'll cut open a piece, and I'll tell you guys how it tastes. Alrighty guys, now that it's done, now we can finally test it out. Good stuff right there. Alrighty guys, it is now the next day, and I just realized that I forgot to close the video. So that is how you make pumpkin bread in your own home. So that wraps up today's video. If you like this video, please make sure you hit the like button. It really helps me out. And if you like these videos, please consider subscribing and follow me on social media. The link is down below. Alrighty guys, I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye. Bye.